Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset iQOO Z3 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgotten their password. So you can see you have entered the wrong pin 10 times. Please try again in 30 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Now tap on power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Now release. Now volume rocker is to move up and down, and power button to confirm. Okay, now go to recovery mode and confirm. Okay, now here you can also use touch. Now go to clear data, and here you can see clear cache and clear all data. Now go to clear all data. So here you can see only phone system data will be cleared. Music, photos and other users data will not be deleted. Okay, now tap on OK. So here you can see clearing data. Do not operate the device. So you can see all data cleared. Okay, now tap on return. And now you can shut down or restart your device. Tap on OK. And after hard reset, it might take some time to boot. So guys, this is the method to hard reset iQOO Z3 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.